Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Be Yourself. This is Dr. Rashmi and today I will be discussing this question which is given by one of through my YouTube channel. Now the question is what? You have to calculate the frequency of double cross over DCO using the data given here. So what is the data given here? Here it is said that 40% chance of interference. First, what is interference? It says if a gene is undergoing crossing over, suppose A and B is undergoing crossing over, then the chances to undergo crossing over between B and C will be interfered by 40%, which means it says there are 40% chances that B and C will not undergo crossing over, which means the chances of crossing over between B and C is 60%. Now, we express the chances of crossing over with respect to the term probability. So, we all know that we express the term probability with the number 1. So, instead of getting 40%, let us express this like 0.4 and I am going to change the centimorgan in Morgan, 0.1 Morgan, and distance between B and C is 0.2 Morgan. The question is quite simple, completely based on a simple formula. The formula is coefficient of coincidence equal to double crossing over, frequency of double crossing over into distance. Let us suppose distance between A and B is D1, distance between B and C is D2. So it will be D1 into D2 into 100. Now how I can calculate this coefficient of coincidence? This coefficient of coincidence is exactly telling you the percentage of or the chances of crossing over between B and C. So as we have expressed the condition in the probability form, so definitely what will be the coefficient of coincidence? Coefficient of coincidence is equal to 1 minus the interference. Okay. Now here what is the interference? Here interference is 0.4. So coefficient of coincidence will be what? It will be 0.6. So after calculating it, what we will be having? We will be having 0.6 equals to double crossing over divided by distance between A and B, which we have expressed the terms of Morgan, which is 0.1 into D2 is what? 0.2, 0.2 and into 100. Now when we will calculate this, what we will be having? Simply expressed in terms of double crossing over, which is the requirement of our calculation. So it will give you 0.6 into 0.1 into 0.2 into 100. So it is going to give you 2 into 6, 12. Here let us press to 0, 0 of 100 and to put decimal 1, 2, 3, 3 place of decimal, 1, 2, 3 place of decimal. So from here we can simply calculate that the frequency of double crossing is 1.2%. So this was very easy question just based on the formula, and this was asked some of the competitive examination of CSIR NET. I don't remember which year, but definitely it has been asked from the CSIR JRF NET. So you can see how the questions are so simple just based on formula. We just need to tag all these formulas in our copy, so that last time we will just revise and can easily solve all these questions. So if you all also have such types of questions, then you can mail me in my mail ID. My mail ID is rajanibharatiya@gmail.com. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.